In this video, we're going to show you how to get freelance clients without using cold email. If you're tired of the cold email hustle and want to discover effective ways to land clients, stay tuned till the end because we'll dive into some proven strategies. Plus, I'll give you an exclusive free trial to a tool that will help you with all of this, so make sure you stick around. Now, let's get straight into it. One of the first and most overlooked methods to land freelance clients without cold emailing is leveraging your existing network. Your current contacts can be a goldmine. If you've worked with anyone in the past, don't hesitate to reach out and let them know you're available for new projects. Word-of-mouth referrals from people who already know and trust you are incredibly powerful. Even if you haven't worked together in a while, a simple, friendly message could open the door to opportunities. Another strategy to consider is content marketing. By creating content that showcases your expertise, you can attract potential clients who are actively looking for the services you offer. Whether it's through blogs, YouTube videos like this one, or even social media posts, providing value and educating your audience positions you as an authority in your field. People will reach out to you when they see the value you offer. Speaking of social media, platforms like LinkedIn and Instagram are also great tools to get freelance clients without cold emailing. Instead of directly sending out cold emails, you can engage with potential clients by commenting on their posts, joining groups or conversations where your expertise fits, and providing insightful input. When they see you consistently adding value, they'll start to think of you when they need a freelancer. Let's not forget about freelancing marketplaces like Upwork or Fiverr. While it's not the same as cold emailing, these platforms allow you to apply for projects that fit your skill set. The key here is to tailor your proposal to each client. Instead of sending a generic response, take the time to personalize your pitch, show them that you understand their needs, and demonstrate how you can help them. But here's a strategy that I've found to be a game changer: collaborating with other freelancers. Teaming up with someone who has complementary skills can help you both land bigger projects that you may not have been able to secure on your own. When you collaborate, you're not only increasing your potential project scope, but you're also opening up the door for both you and your collaborator to share each other's networks. Now, there's also one piece of software I've been using recently that makes all of this much easier. It helps you streamline your processes, manage clients, and stay organized so you're not scrambling for new opportunities. You can access an exclusive free trial of this software through the link in the description below. It's a great way to follow along with what I'm teaching here and improve your client acquisition process. Quick recap: getting freelance clients without cold email can be done through leveraging your existing network, creating content to showcase your expertise, engaging on social media, applying to projects on freelancing platforms, and collaborating with other freelancers. All these methods are far more effective than cold emailing and allow you to focus on building meaningful connections with potential clients. Finally, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial to the software I mentioned. You'll be able to stay organized and efficient as you apply these strategies. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that link below to get started.